G Squad, as y'all can see, we are out here with the beautiful TRX, and we had to get the 37 tires taken off to put the 35 tires on because the police made us do it. And if you haven't watched the video where I got pulled over doing over 100 miles an hour in the TRX, make sure you watch that. And if you haven't watched the video right after that where I blew out my tire doing over 100 miles an hour, make sure you watch that. But before you do anything, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting that subscribe button right now. Bing! Make sure you turn on that bell, turn on post notifications, and watch this video from beginning to end. And don't skip no ads throughout the whole process. Now, without further ado, let's get this video started. Make sure y'all rocking my dog Socko up here at King's Tire and Wheel. I know what's going on, man. All the information is in the description below. They do everything, man. Cars, trucks, whatever you want. Interiors. Look at this one, beefed up, souped up. Look at that red on that joint. And as y'all can see, we got fifth tire in the back again now, right? The one that we had placed in the front. I have Sway insert a clip. If you haven't watched that video, go watch that video ASAP. But we got the 35s on all fours now. And the reason why, you can still see that gap in there too, because we still got them spacers lifted up in the mook. The reason why we did this was because the police said we had to. No, I'm just playing. But it's just good for safety and everything like that right now until I want to get back on my off-roading content. Excuse me. But if y'all like that content, make sure y'all go back. I have Sway slap all the videos up on the screen. If y'all want to watch the off-roading content I did in my TRX, make sure y'all go over there and tap in. Shout out to my dog Socko for getting everything done and for doing all the off-roading content with us. We had a lot of fun with it, and we want to do a whole lot more. But until we get back to the off-road content, I thought it would be a good idea to put the 35s on there, because then I couldn't really speed like how I wanted to. Even though I know speeding ain't good, and I probably shouldn't be doing it. I just got bumped for the speeding. And if you haven't watched the video where I got pulled over and going, over 100 miles an hour in my TRX, go watch that right now. And then my tire popped after that. I put that on the screen. Go watch that one. But even though we shouldn't be doing that, hey, come on, man. I gotta do what I gotta do. I love, smashing, and gassing on this mook right here, man. So top level. Look at it. Full legendary with the TRX understanding. But yeah, they're all on there now, and everything's cool and kosher to go. So we're gonna take this to the crib today, and I absolutely have to get my Lamborghini Aventador plates off here and figure out my license plates that I had at the crib, which ones were the permanent ones that were meant for the TRX. But if you look at the wrap right here, y'all can tell I didn't type scratched up the wrap and everything like that. You can see all the scratches right there, right? Crazy from going off-roading. And the branches and all that stuff scratching. I didn't account for, I probably should have did that before I got it wrapped, but it's actually a good thing that I didn't do it before the wrap, because it, pretty much, protected the paint job and everything like that. So it's actually a good thing I didn't. And I just had to holler at my dog, Tony at Reflections Detail. Make sure y'all subscribe, follow him on Instagram, and tap in. They're doing a giveaway and all sorts of stuff over there. So make sure you tap in with the information and everything below in the description. But it's good to have the TRX back on the factory mooks. And the factory tires actually speed better than those 37 tires. So 37 tires get a little warped on the high end. You really can't go over 100. Even not that you should, because even these tires are speed rated, I believe, for 108 miles an hour. So yeah. The 37s was like bad. As soon as you got to like 90 in them hoes, you was pushing it if you got to about 98, but I wouldn't recommend it. So yeah, and I don't do it. Yeah, I'm just playing. Y'all know I did because I already got popped. But I got the key, y'all. The Raptor external TRX. Stop in. Everything's still looking sound in here, Sway?
Hey, fuck the in.
I don't know, brother. But we still got the weld wells in here right now, y'all. So we gotta get the skinnies put on there. Let's show them the skinnies real quick. So, hey, man, we just got in the car. Let's get out the car and show them the skinny rims, and let's see how skinny they are actually to this one right here.
They probably think we stole these because we ain't take these back. They probably, damn, you look at these niggas trying to.
Oh shit, we was supposed to. Was these the two we were supposed to take back?
Yeah.
Are these the skinnies?
These were the 17s to go in the front.
Let's see. Hop it out. Let me see. I'm gonna pop this down right here real quick, y'all. Let's see. We gotta pick up TRX today, man. Let's see what's going on. But yeah.
These were the ones that was going in the front that wouldn't even clear the brake at all. Like it was like they even halfway on. So we got. You wasn't here, but Will performed the B-Rock.
I seen that when they showed it in the video, though. I was right there with you, brother.
Oh yeah. Well, technically,
you're behind the lens. I was in front, brother. But I didn't see the front.
this.
I didn't see the front skinnies. I thought this was gonna be the skinny.
That's the light wheel, actually.
Oh, this is skinny. Is that skinny? No, it's not.
Oh, not because you guys were trying to see if you guys could put this one in the front. It's matched the rear.
It do look good though. It's just hard.
Yeah, but the fucking
It's not that wide of a rim though.
I'm not so. It's probably like right here, and then
That's as far as it will go in.
Yeah, it was literally like probably like.
And this is what? Which one? This is 17. Yeah, 17.
17 by 10. Yep.
Brake. It was the brake calipers that wouldn't. The brake pads or something.
Yeah. It was the brake calipers.
Huh.
Yeah, it wouldn't even fit at all. Like, I ain't go over it, but it does look good though.
It do look good. Damn, I want to see the skinnies. You seen the skinnies, right?
Yeah.
How much you say? Like half of this rim? What were the skinnies on?
It was like.
Hell no, it wasn't this skinny.
No, it's I think.
Oh, from here to here.
Yeah, it's probably like. I think it was the same actually. I think it was the same.
No, because they were skinnies.
It was
For
like
the drag
right
strip.
It's about like right here. I'm saying.
So from here to here?
Yeah.
Oh, so it was a little skinnier, not crazy.
Yeah, because it was the same size, 17. No, it was 20. It was 20. It was a 20 from front. 20 by 10. Yeah, 20 by 10. So it's taller. It's taller. Yeah, it's the same size.
Okay. All right.
That's clear.
All right.
Crazy, you know.
Nothing too nuts, huh?
I'm not no real expert, but.
But you do know you're like a professional, but you're not an expert.
I'm a, what's the one for a professional or novice? No, novice.
Novice.
Where am I? I'm
Just roasted your damn self.
Any wheel places or any automotive, anything with automotive something, hit me up.
That's your realm, huh? That's your expertise.
Hit me up.
Well, shout out to Will, man.
Yeah.
The thing is what?
Should sponsor me too, you know?
Sponsor the Hondeezy, huh?
Yeah, man, because I know, man, I be everywhere, man. I be car show, I think I'm a great, okay, see, so your audience is bigger, right? But word of mouth is the best key, right? So I'm at almost every car show. Everybody know my car, so, hey, man.
There's no doubt about that, brother. Oh, my man.
Shit.
There you go, brother. For sure. Thank you, brother.
You like this, ma'am?
She's not even looking at you, Sway.
Sure.
That's your type, huh?
That's a sugar bomb right there, man.
That's your type?
Because thing is, yeah.
She looking at you now. Well, she was.
She ain't got none crazy going on like me, though. She probably, I ain't her husband probably sacked up, but she can spend that money on me, though.
She is in a Volkswagen with the red brake calipers on the Mook, too, though. I think it's sweet, brother.
But not a GTI, but hey, it don't matter. No, Jeff Bezos, I bet she drives.
There you go. What about Shorty right here? Both of them. You take both of them down.
Sister, that's her twin sister. Nigga, that's I ain't gonna lie, the motherfucker in the back seat look the exact same.
You was smacked though, huh?
I'll take them both. Redhead straight children around, huh? Are you gonna see a fucking a license? So because my mom is like your mom's skin color, right? And my dad is fucking dark skin. So I'm like in the middle. So it's gonna be like a dude your skin color with red hair.
Imagine that, huh? Imagine that shit there.
That's what's called ending racism. A black kid with red hair. A natural redhead black kid. Not albino, because albinos they're black. If you didn't know, albinos are black, but the skin is just white. I'm talking about ending racism. It's gonna be a black kid, my skin color or his skin color, with natural red hair. Fucking lying. He'll pull some holes.
Look at the hand on the hip. He ain't playing.
What's wrong here too? Hey, my sway children. Hey, man. If anybody, so I don't know when I'm gonna have kids, but I'm gonna have kids by the time. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like I'm gonna slip up by the time I get like 27, 28. I feel like I'm gonna have a kid like 20 years old.
Okay.
So if anybody
by 20 years old, but you're over 20.
Huh?
But you're over 20.
28. I'll have.
Oh, okay.
Or like
well, pardon me, brother.
Yeah, all right, shit. Man. I ain't trying to go to jail, catch a case. You know? But if anybody's my age and trying to, you know, if you white and got red hair, you know, man, we can start ending racism right now. How you doing, brother? Thank you, appreciate it. So we gonna see the start of ending racism. I'm gonna give you all a little talk.
Look at this.
think racism starts like this. He's not trying to end racism.
What about him?
Oh,
He ain't down at the head.
How you doing?
You ain't gonna talk down.
How you doing? How are you? You fresh off work? Man, how's work?
Stressful.
Shit, man. Tell me about it.
The grind don't stop till the casket drop.
Man, go
That's
home,
the truth.
still work when you go home. Yeah.
Yep, that's a fact.
Feel it.
Have a blessed day.
I appreciate it.
Oh, you ain't going. I thought you was gonna try to take it down there. You know you like that.
Continental tires, Michelin. I'm not gonna lie, I do need a tire sponsor.
You want a tire sponsor?
No, I'm trying to get everything, nigga. God damn, I'm trying to get everything.
You want a car sponsor, tire sponsor, engine sponsor, brake sponsor? What else kind of sponsor you want, brother?
LS. I need Chevy to sponsor me because I'm not gonna lie. I told myself if I was to ever blow my engine, I would rear wheel because at this point I might as well keep my car forever.
Wait, man, let's see what you do. I'm kind of liking the wavy game now. It's kind of funny. Okay, you checked with the dudes.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, Mopar. He seen that TRX.
I had one of those too. I had two of those. I had 2 Mustangs.
I want to see you go wave back at you.
Thank you.
Oh, and she waved.
Thank you.
He's looking like, what the fuck?
What is he doing? Hey, man, we not straying out here, man. We not straying. We got a 110,000.
You got to catch it when they traffic.
Oh, yeah.
You got, no, I'm saying.
Benzo, yeah.
He just looked at you like you was dumb.
Small Maserati. Worst cars ever bought is Maserati. Engine go break within a week. Don't buy those.
Okay.
Everybody, look. End the racism. Yeah, you not. We gonna end. Look. Hey, man. His granddaughter, I guarantee, got red hair.
How would you know that, Sway?
His hair is white. It's white. Or blonde hair. It's got blonde. I know blonde hair though. Blonde hair with black hair and
Man, let's get the fuck out of here, Sway. Let's get the box. Can we get the box, brother?
Oh yeah. I don't want this to fly out and hit somebody's car because that's gonna be
Sway crazy as fuck, y'all.
Oh, Daddy.
But y'all see what's going on.
Yeah, the tires in the back of your thing.
Thank you for showing them that, Sway. And thank you for sharing them how you going to end racism, brother, and all the funny, hilarious stories. Y'all finally get a understanding how funny Sway actually is. Hilarious. Here, let's pull this up and let's put the seat up, brother, please. That's premium leather. I forget Laguna.
This is actually dog leather.
Damn, brother, where you at there? We're gonna go. Look at it. Came in my seats, man. There you go, brother. Here, you gonna throw it up there for me, brother, please? I greatly appreciate it.
That's all right.
Oh, damn, brother, we forgot that battery. My car went dead, so we had to get a whole new battery. Shout out my dog Sway. We was out there unbolting all that stuff together in front of my crib, and yeah, we had to get a whole new battery. Now that that one's done, we had to go get a factory one because that one powered the T-Rex, but then the other one was made for it so it wouldn't move up and down during the off-road and climbing and all that stuff. You shouldn't be littering, brother.
That's fish fry the birds. I'm feeding birds.
No, it's
bro.
Don't litter.
No. Okay, look, I'm not fucked up, but I have ever seen the videos where like the a dude's at the beach, but like they make food, but like they put laxatives in the food and they feeding the birds.
So we're gonna drop 100 loaves of bread into the Trafalgar Square with fucking laxative in it, lad. Laxative, see how much these birds can really shit for real, lad. Alright, let's get it popping. Stay locked.
Damn, that's messed up, Sway. Yeah, that's probably what you threw out there for the bird, huh? But yeah, that battery, we had to go get the factory one from the dealership. Shout out to my dog Sway for getting it and having to go up there and all that stuff. That was legendary. And we got that put in there, so now we got to take the other battery back. So we got to do that, Sway. Appreciate you, brother. That's it, that's all. Anything else you want to tell me? Top level stories and funny shit? Oh, here you go again. What about the white lady right there? Look to the right.
I ain't gonna lie, she's going for me.
That's it.
Oh, look at drop top.
You gonna wave? What you gonna do?
Drop top, yeah.
You gonna wave, sir?
How you doing? Good day. Oh, somebody died. I ain't trying to.
No, right there, the great Kia.
Oh, no, somebody died.
Or the great Ford, I mean.
Oh, that's a little more trip. I thought there was a, what you call thing?
No, why you trying to avoid it? Right there to the Ford. She looked like she beat as hell. Go ahead, let's see. I got it focused on her. Well, she got the straight face. She is serious. They gonna walk in front of her car and say hello.
Nah, she gonna scream and call it rape.
Sway, you so stupid. Sway avoided that one. What about this one? Let's see. Oh, he nodded the head.
Hey, look. Nobody want to end racism, man. That's the problem with the world 2021. Nobody want to end racism.
I'm pretty sure it has nothing to do with racism, brother. I'm pretty sure it's just you're a random ass dude waving at people.
I usually wave at random people. I'm always talking to random people.
I'm pretty sure they're thinking like, what the fuck is he doing? You know, they're probably more towards thinking.
Hello, what the fuck y'all doing?
Don't get hit by no car, brother. That's it, man. Sway, tell him bye, brother.
Yeah, we gonna end right here.